All right, in order to complete item number 3, you need to take a look at this and determine where this curved portion is going to go. There's also external curves that we'll deal with in a second quick video. But on either side, we know we got 1 inch of material that remains, and the center portion is being cut away. So getting started here in SketchUp, Command Z, I want to come in 1 inch from the edge, and then I'm just going to create an extra long line to identify the channel which we're about to cut out of the middle of this object. Then I'm going to come in 1 inch from the other end and draw a line back. Again, it's extra long. I know the channel's not cut that far back. Now, I also know that by the 2 marks given here that we have 2 inches from the top of this curve to the back corner. So I'm going to come over here and give myself a 2-inch mark from the midpoint, come in 2 inches, and hit enter. Now my line is at 2 inches long. Now in order to draw a curve across the length of this, we need to find the center of that circle, or that creates that curve. And because it is a smooth transition into the sidewall, we know that it is a radius equal to half the diameter, or half the distance between these 2 points here. So it's 0.75, 3/4 of an inch from the center out. So we also want to come 3/4 of an inch in, so 0.75. And that's now the center of our circle. So if I click and create this, it's 2 inches from the back edge into the edge of my circle. It's another 0.75 into the center of the circle, and I've now created the shape that I need to cut away. So using the eraser tool, I can erase the rest of this material, and I now have this center portion which needs to be cut away. All right, just about done. Last thing we need to do is get rid of this edge, because a circle in SketchUp is actually a polygon. We need to soften the edges. So I'm going to click and soften that edge. And I'm control clicking to get this, or right clicking. In this case, your mouse probably doesn't have the right click set up right now. So we're control clicking and eliminating or softening that edge.